Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. Look at this cute little cactus. Let's make it. We are going to cut the acrylic like this, and then we are going to fill it with brown clay. After that, dab it and make holes on it. After that, we are going to make green cactus. Give it texture like this and paste all of them together and dab it on the crate box and make all the different colored cactus like purple, pink, and look, it is ready. Look at this cute little pond ecosystem. Let's make it. We are going to cut a bottle and fill it with clay. Now mix these three colored clays and then spread it as well. We are pasting pebbles made up of clay. Now we are going to make a beautiful little leaf using green clay and give it texture like this using toothpick. We are also going to make a handle like this and then paste all of them together. Dab it on the water like this. After that, we are going to make a beautiful lotus flower. We are making the petals using pink clay and then dab it, and look, it is ready. Add more details like frog and look how cute this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.